I'll be there for you.
Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this soft blue ombre. Everything I use today can be found at your local Sally Beauty store or online at sallybeauty.com. So let's get started. Okay, so to begin, you're going to be using the Arctic Fox Mist Diluter and the Poseidon Blue. For the dark blue, you're just going to pour the Poseidon Blue straight out of the bottle, and for the light blue, you're going to use mostly the Arctic Fox Diluter with just a tad of the Poseidon Blue mixed in. Next, you're going to separate your hair into 4 sections, 2 in the back and then 2 in the front. And don't forget to use some gloves. Starting at the roots, you're going to take the paintbrush and you're just going to carefully blend the dark blue down from your root, making sure you fully saturate the hair. Once you complete this step, you're going to take your light blue and you're going to blend down from your roots about halfway down your hair shaft. For the final step, you're going to use Shimmer Light's toning shampoo, and then you're just going to apply this to the rest of your hair. This is just going to help neutralize any yellow, and the other blue from the top is just going to fade down, so you're going to get a nice light ombre. Your hair should look something like this when it's finished, and then you're just going to wrap it up and let it sit for 20 minutes. After that, you're just going to rinse and then blow dry, and it's ready to style. And I love how it turned out. I have a really soft blue ombre going on. It's considerably light at the ends and a little bit darker at the roots. And it just creates a little bit more dimension than just doing one solid color. And I'm so excited to have blue hair again. Thanks to Sally Beauty and Arctic Fox.